how to securely lock any app on your iPhone. Have you ever politely handed your iPhone to someone only to feel a slight panic thinking, I really hope they don't open that app? Whether it's messages, banking, or anything a bit more personal, we all value our privacy. Fortunately, Apple provides an official way to lock individual apps on your iPhone. No third-party apps, no jailbreaking, just built-in features you might not know about. In this video, I'll walk you through Apple's own methods step by step, so let us begin. To begin, kindly locate the Settings app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Within the Settings menu, please scroll to locate the General option and tap on it to proceed. Next, kindly select Software Update to either install the latest version of iOS or confirm that your device is already up to date. Now, gently press and hold the app you wish to lock until additional options appear. From the menu, please select Require Face ID to secure the app using your Face ID or device passcode. As the app is now secured, it will prompt you to authenticate using Face ID or your device passcode before granting access. To remove the app lock, you may simply follow the same steps and select the option labeled Don't Require Face ID. This will allow you to access the app freely without the need for a lock or passcode. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.